Hello from Slovenia again. I have quite some paints left from 2-3 previous pours, and when I have paints left and I think that they will go well together, I decided to use this kitchen tool, gadget, toy, whatever you want to call it. It's not a colander, it's not a strainer. We use this for taking pasta out of the water. So I don't know obviously the English word. So I will pour over this like that, and or maybe just a straight pour because it has lines the same. Yes, I will do just a straight pour over that, and I will fill my cup with the colors. I will list all the colors down below, down below, into the description box. Okay, here we go. This. Wow, I really like it. Because there is so many interesting details. It is psychedelic, but love it. Hopefully it will stretch out nice. Let's do this. like a fairy tale. I don't know how to explain this differently. So many things, and it's so cheerful, colorful. Okay. Let's give it one spin. I will just torch for air bubbles real quick. Let's give it one more spin. Again. I can't help it, but I really like this painting because it's so interesting. I know that maybe for some of you will be too much, but when I will show you the details, you will probably agree with me. Just a little push here, back. Now I will just try to pour a little of that gold off. Just a little too much for my taste there. Okay. Back to the middle. More final spin. This looks so cool, guys. I hope that you will agree with me. If not, it's okay too. I'm just so pleased with this outcome because it's so interesting in a way. I will try to explain when I will take it down for a close-up. So here is a close-up, and I will try to show you why I'm fascinated about this painting, because there is a ton of amazing patterns, colors, elements bumping to each other. How can I say? And I see a lot of animals and other things. So for me this is fluid art fairy tale, because everything mixed together is just amazing for my taste. So this will be my fairy tale painting for today. Tell me what you think about it and see you on the next one. Bye.